Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. From the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra to new earbuds, and maybe even new AI smart glasses, here's what we expect Samsung to showcase at Unpacked today, at the Samsung Unpacked 2026 launch event. Which 5 biggest rumors I'm seeing on Samsung S26 Ultra, Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, more. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung confirms that the next Unpacked event will be held today, on February 25th, in San Francisco. Here are the 5 biggest things we expect from the next Galaxy Unpacked 2026. Number 1. Traditional expectations. There were reports that Samsung would replace its base model with a Galaxy S26 Pro in its early 2026 flagship lineup. Rumors have it that the Galaxy S26 Pro is just the base model, Galaxy S26. As usual, we could get a Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus below the Ultra model. Number 2. Edge or Plus variant. There have been rumors that Samsung could retire the Plus moniker and shift to a new slim phone, the Galaxy S26 Edge. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, the super slim Samsung phone could have a 4200 mAh battery and measure just 5.5 mm thick, which is 0.3 mm thinner than the Galaxy S25 Edge, which is 0.1 mm skinnier than Apple's iPhone Air. Number 3. Ultra model or the Beast. According to leaked renders, Samsung's new Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature curvier corners than its predecessor and a raised vertical camera bump on the back. The flagship is said to be 0.3 mm slimmer at 7.9 mm thick, and to feature a new M14 OLED display. The company recently released teaser videos of a new privacy feature. All 3 Samsung Galaxy S26 flagships are tipped to be powered by different processors in different regions. In the US and China, you might get Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powered devices, while the rest of the world could see Exynos 2600 variants. Number 4. One UI 8.5 new features. Samsung launched its One UI 8 shell alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 last year, and it is expected to announce the One UI 8.5 interface at the upcoming launch event. For context, 8.5 has been available in beta since December. The stable version of One UI 8.5 could bring an expanded dark theme, upgraded home-up support, lock screen widget support, and more AI features. Number 5. Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Leaked renders from Android Authority suggested the Galaxy Buds 4 and 4 Pro could be a redesign. They appear to have a flat stem and a new wire grill design element on the side. We don't know about new features and audio improvements yet, but we could get new flagship earbuds alongside the Galaxy S26 lineup next week. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.